Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to create a simple text reveal. You can download the text from the link in the description. Create a new composition render, 1920 by 1080 and 60 frames. Add text to this composition. Change the size to 50. Create a new solid. And add fractal noise effect to it. Change contrast to 350. Animate the brightness parameter, as in the video. Track matte, choose Luma. Press U to show layer keys, select them, and press F9, go to velocity graph, and edit it. Select all layers, and press Ctrl-Shift-C to pre-compose. Create a camera, and translate the composition into 3D. In camera, animate position parameter. Select keys and press F9 to easy ease.